Hi guys. Hi guys. Okay, so you're here because you have a leak in your sunroof. If you have a Jetta or a Passat or possibly even an Audi, they're all very similar in their models. Mine is a 2006. I know that the drainages are different depending on the year. Some of them have the drainage that comes out here. Okay, you can see the round cap. Okay, mine doesn't come out there, but if you have a model that has a nipple that comes out of here, that's where your drain comes out of. Okay, and my particular model has nipples that come out in here. Okay, so if you could see, let me try to zoom in. There's the nipple right up underneath there. Okay, you can see it's black, and all I have to do is wiggle it back and forth. You can see I can reach up underneath here. Okay, and move it back and forth, and that brought out a ton of dirt. This whole area was clogged full of leaves. I cleaned it out with a vacuum shop vac. Okay, and the same goes for the driver's side. Okay, what I just showed you was the passenger side. This is the driver's side. It's more obstructed, and the nipple is still up underneath there though. And what I did in order to be able to clean that, because I couldn't reach it with my hand, my hand's too big for this, was using a big screwdriver. Okay, I used a big screwdriver, and you can, let me zoom back out. I used a big screwdriver here, and I just wedged it up underneath there, and played with it back and forth in order to get the dirt to come out. Okay, I also used an air compressor. Here's the shop vac I used. I also used an air compressor with a hose, 1/4-inch hose. Okay, this helped push out a lot of the debris that may have been clogged inside of the drain. Okay, so the way I did this, and the holes are in each corner of the sunroof. Okay, so let me see if I can find it for you. There it is right there. Okay, there's the hole. All right, this 1/4-inch hose will fit right inside there. Okay, so you can see I'm able to actually push that 1/4-inch hose right inside that drain. And then what I did was I took the other end of the hose and the nozzle, like so. Let's see if I can do this for you. And I just pushed it right into the nozzle. Sorry for the bad image. I'm trying to hold both with one hand, 2 hands. I'm sorry. So I just pushed the hose in there, and then you can hear it. Okay, that's all I did, and it started pushing everything out. Okay. If you don't have a compressor, you may want to borrow one from a friend. Here's the hose again, 1/4-inch hose, and that's all I had to do in order to get it to work itself out. The other thing too, I saw a lot of people like unscrewing all of this stuff and everything. Okay, I didn't have to do that. All I had to do was just take the seal, pull it out a little bit, and then this lifted up immediately. So that's all you have to do. This actually is underneath there too. And this is just a plastic piece that clips in. Okay, so it clips in just like this underneath, and you can see there's a little nub there that just you have to pull down slightly in order to you don't want to pull it down too hard, you don't want to break it. Okay, and then sorry, it actually goes like this, and then the other end is here, where it also has a small nub that you kind of pull it up, and then you slide it out. Okay, so that goes up underneath this plastic piece right in here, and this is on the passenger side. There isn't one on the driver's side, at least on mine. I know everyone is different, but you can see it fits in there just like that. There's the hole right here where it slides into, and then this one slides up underneath there just like that. Okay, so just be careful because it is plastic, and I hope this helps. Thanks.